Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I show you how to use drop cap in Microsoft Word. First of all, you need a paragraph. For that, you can click F1 on keyboard, then click accessibility, then click customize keyboard shortcut, then triple click on left of mouse, done, then click right, then copy, then close it, then paste here, done. Then you need to clear the format and select it and click here, and tada, it's done. Then you need to select all the paragraph, then copy again, then give a space, then again paste. Now you need to click select first letter of the paragraph, then go insert, then click drop cap, then click here. Now it's a drop cap. Hope so you will enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.